EOS, add sprite, brick. Here's where it gets tricky. So for, we're gonna need a for loop. I equals 1, 2, 25. And I'm pretty sure we covered the for loops. So we need to add a brick. Now we're going to use I. And finally, yes, we're adding this brick. We're going to do it again. Brick. I. There we go. So now that we'll add the brick. So now we have, that's it. Now we have all the sprites we need for bricks. Okay. Add bricks. And there you go. And now you need to have to set the bricks positions. But before I do that, let's just look at this. And you can see in the program. Oh yeah, you use the next to end a for loop. As you can see in the program, all the bricks. Oops. Alright. So we need to add the sprite. So load PNP sprites slash brick and yeah. Alright. So now when you run it, as you can see, sprites. Oops, we need a name for it. Great. Alright. Okay, there you go. So as you can see, oops, forgot the handle. Save. As you can see, all the bricks are up here. Brick 20 is green, as you can see from right here. Yeah, since brick 25 is light green, and it was the last one loaded in the game, so that's one you see right here. Okay, but they're useless if they're all right on top of each other, right? Correct. But how are we going to position all of them? Well, you couldn't use an algorithm for this. You could, but I'm going to keep this tutorial relatively simple. So we're just going to simply assign the XY coordinates of each brick right here, right now. Luckily for you, I did this already, and I'm using the exact same coordinates from my the game breaker I recently made. That you can download on the website. Alright, so this is simple. Unfortunately, it's not the same exact handle. So we're gonna have to translate that. Okay. So here's for all you people who want to see the source code. There we go. Let's paste that right now. Okay. The handle's incorrect. We're gonna have to change that. EOS. You guys just run through that. I'm pretty fast. As you can see, I'm already ready. I do apologize, but we're gonna have to actually copy this from the screen right here. So you guys can pause the video. I'm actually going to enlarge the screen so you can see it. Sorry about this, but I don't want my code and stuff on the internet. 7. There we go. A little smaller. Almost perfect. Alright. Well, the first break is 0, 0. Here's the last 25. Pause the video now. Alright, there's 15 seconds. Now that you're back, and resuming with changing everything back. I believe it was 8, 10. It's 10 or 8. Ooh, that's too small. There we go. Now let's run the program. After, of course, we add this. Set bricks. Cool. Save that, and there we go. Now we have all these wonderful bricks in the game. Alright. Well, I think this tutorial is long enough. So in the next tutorial, tutorial 6, I will be creating the collision detection for the bricks. Thank you guys for watching. Again, this is EOSBreaker Productions. Check out our website. You can download all the great games and programs and software we have made over the years. Recently, we made a desktop locker, which I have in a hotkey, which will lock your desktop for you. And mine is set as my desktop background, so if somebody moves a mouse, they can't escape it. They can't get into my computer unless they have a password. Oops, I forgot. Dang it. And boom, and it tells you how many attempts it were to get into your system. So it's a very useful program. So I'm right here. Set my hotkey. Boom. And you can also change your password. With the change command, enter your new password. Cool. Ignore this error because the password is still changed. Alright. So there you guys are. That's why it's important to make sure. Don't forget this password, because you'll be done. Of course, I can't tell you how to get past it. There you go, guys. Until see you guys. Until next time, this is EOSBreaker Productions. Hello, guys, and welcome to EOSBreaker Productions EOSG end of series game tutorials. This end of series game is for just basic programming language, and this is a wrap of tutorial series, which is 21 videos on this week. Alright guys, first off, we should remove this line because we added all the sprites, and change this back to down. So now we have a proper, now it's properly moving down. Okay, now first things first, in this tutorial we will be going over collision detection with the ball and the bricks. First, in order so we don't have like people getting easy points, we need to move the ball's exhibition closer to the bottom of the screen. We can just set it to 1/2. There we go, should be about here. Oh wait, yeah, probably. And we can just that is good. So now, let's check down a little farther. Let's just change this like that. Oops. Okay, what's going on? Change that. Why isn't this working? Because normally we add values to this. Okay, now we're a little lower. Okay, sorry about that. Perfect. You see, that's actually possibly better than the original breaker which we made and Game Boy Productions release. So, what you guys say? Alright, anyway. So now let's work on the collision for the bricks. So we should bring all this stuff back. Don't want to get any glitches later, especially outlining these stuff. Alright guys, so uncomment that stuff. I get rid of the balder equals down left line from the last tutorial or previous tutorials. Alright guys, so now what we need to do is we need to check the collision with bricks. So if bar collides, that's why the end star in the string command comes in handy. So because we don't know exactly which part it is, but if brick is in the name, we know it's brick, and we need to remove that brick. Alright guys, so put in ball collides if it contains the word brick. Then we need to do this. So we're going to print G. So guys, I'm gonna tell you guys what we gotta do, because then like I know I like to get ahead in tutorials and stuff. See what I know, so I'm gonna let you guys do the same. So what we need to do is we need to remove the sprite from the game. So if you guys know how to do that, let's see if you guys can do it. So remove sprite. Now ball collides. Did you guys get it right? Yes, I'll never know. Leave in the comment section below. And we need to drop sprites. See, that is actually it. Of course, we need to score equals score plus 1, and that is actually it for this. That was a very short tutorial. It's fun, right? Well, it isn't. Actually crashed. Alright guys, but what we need to do now is we need to change the direction whenever we hit a brick. So it appears like we're moving around, it's bouncing off of something. Alright, first let's track down that error. Debug. And notice everything's slow when you debug the program. This is because it's running so many lines and stuff. I don't really know. So the moment it touches one of these bricks, oh, whoa. Actually, it's a bad file.